Hey, how are you guys doing? It's Carrie Higgs in Branson, and I am coming back to you with another video about Table Rock Lake. This time we're going to explore the area of DD Highway. So I would say DD Highway or DD Point is really the largest point on the lake. And it's interesting how it's formed when they made the lake, because it has all of these ridges off of this one main ridge where that highway is. So it has all of these little fingers off of this point, which makes for a lot of great coves, a lot of great spots to put boat docks. And there are a lot of boat docks and boat slips that are mostly community and some are private. Okay, so let's talk about landmarks first. You guys might know of the evergreen glass house that sits on about 400 to 500 acres. You'll notice it from the water. It's one of the biggest homes in Missouri. And you know, there's also some really large pieces of land that are not developed, that are privately owned. So when you're coming into DD Highway, that takes up a lot of space and you're not going to see homes right away till you get toward the middle of the point and then to the end of the point. Of course, there's lots of big custom homes that have been built over the years, but you don't have to be a billionaire to live on this point, because there's all kinds of price ranges from double wides, you know, to medium-sized lake homes, to normal neighborhoods, more vacation type neighborhoods. There's also resorts. So there's a really nice mix of residential areas here and no condos. There are some resorts, of course, that you could stay at that might take the place of some condos, but there's not any big condos like there are in Indian Point. And it's really interesting when you do a little research, because Stone County does not want this area to be overdeveloped. So prices have definitely gone up, and I think because the reason is that this area has just stayed the same. It's not overdeveloped. It still maintains its natural beauty. So that's what's great about this area. So I'm going to show you 4 to 5 different neighborhoods and give you a little bit of a driving tour again and show that information that you want to see on price ranges. Hope you enjoy, and I will come back to you next time with some more real estate information. Remember to like and subscribe if you like this video, and I hope to see you next time.